Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Here we got a 2013 Ford Edge in our inventory. Just wanted to do a quick startup and do a video walk around out of this. Now, this one's a 2013 with 115,000 miles. It's got a green title. It's a mid-size SUV. Powertrain with this vehicle is a 3.5 liter V6 motor, front wheel drive. Gets you about 19 miles per gallon city and 27 highway. It's going to have a decent amount of power. It does not feel like a slouch, so it has decent get up and go to it while maintaining decent fuel efficiency. Really good amount of cargo space. It has tinted windows, which that does help. Dual exhaust on the back, which has a nice look to it. Parking sensors and a tow hitch available on this vehicle. A very large amount of space in the back. You also get a spare down here underneath this. Black cloth interior. Nice and clean headliner overall. Now let's make our way behind the driver's seat and start the vehicle for you. It's got a pretty simple layout as far as infotainment system and the options on the vehicle. You do get cruise control and some of the audio control mounted on the steering wheel. Power windows. And you also get your climate control radio CD changer right here. Pretty simple layout, like I said. So that is pretty much the gist of it. 115,000 miles and no air lights. Very smooth drive. All right, folks, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any particular questions about this vehicle or anything else in our inventory, do not hesitate to reach out. We'll get you guys taken care of. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.